manufacture the tools, stone tools. Let's say for example, they take one stone and use the other stone as a hammer. They chip out all the waste material and they wanted to create the required shape. And this is called as hand axe. Hand axe. So now these hand axes, see, look at here. Here it is a hand axe and it is almost 5 kgs weight. Okay, holding this hand axe, our Paleolithic man, he used it to chase, he used it to run after the animals. He used it to fight against the tigers. And this is the only weapon he has used. With that hand axe, he just killed the animal. Once he killed the animal, he has to remove the skin, remove the hide. To remove the hide, here he has used the cleaver. You know the cleaver? To remove the skin. Once you remove the skin, then you need to chop the meat, cut the meat into pieces. For this, he has used the chopper. Just observe the tools what they have used. Okay, these stone tools, they were all crude, large in size. There is no sophistication, there is no advancement. That's why we are calling it as a Paleolithic phase. Paleolithic phase. So in India, we have many Paleolithic phases, Paleolithic sites. So in the Punjab region, we have a Son Valley. In the Son Valley, we find some Paleolithic sites. In Narmada Valley, in Madhya Pradesh region, we have some Paleolithic sites. In Balan Valley, in UP, we have some Paleolithic sites. Okay. Anyone from Rayalaseema? Anyone from Rayalaseema? In Rayalaseema, there is a district called Kurnool district. In Kurnool, we have a place called Muchila Chintamani Gavi. Muchila Chintamani Gavi. At Muchila Chintamani Gavi, we found the first bone tools in India. First bone tools in India. So these are the important Paleolithic sites.